Okay guys, we're going to be doing another video on the code here on some letters. I hooked up the iambic bencher to the FTDX10, and I'll do, as you know, when you hit the left side here, you get a series of dits. When you hit the right side, you get a series of das. So I'm going to start out with the letter A, short, long. That's left, right. The da. I'm not showing paper anymore because you need to really not get a visual of this stuff because, you need to listen. It's hearing. When it comes to the code, it's all hearing. The letter A. The letter A. The letter B is da, did, did, did. One long sound, three short sounds. That was a mistake. I'm just winging this here. I just set this thing up, so my tripod ain't working, so I'm holding the phone in my hand here. So the letter B, one long sound, three short sounds. And the letter D, da, did, did. One long sound, two short sounds. I didn't even set this key up properly. As you can tell, they're not lined up, but I figured let me make this video real quick, and then I'll set the key up. So the letter D. One long sound, two short sounds. Da, did, it.